Welcome to our beautiful school, the British International School of Stavanger, BIS for short. We live in Norway, and here's where we study. Here we follow the MYP curriculum. We are currently in the 4th year, called MYP4. The school was founded in 1977. The school is led by Mrs. Ann Howells. It currently holds years from reception until year 11 or MYP5. That's 12 years in total. Today we shall explain nuclear energy to you. To start off, we must first state that there are two types of nuclear reactions. One is called fission and the other is called fusion. First, fission. This is where we use heavy elements such as uranium or plutonium to create energy. The energy is created by splitting the heavy atom's nuclei into two smaller elements by firing a neutron or alpha particle, which is basically just the nucleus of helium, at the heavy particle. The two elements that it splits into have a lower combined mass than the original particle. This means some of the energy is released with more neutrons and photons. This creates a chain reaction where the energy release grows exponentially. Each of these reactions will cause a few more reactions to happen. Each of those will produce a few by itself, and so on. Fusion, on the other hand, is doing the opposite. Two low-mass particles, usually hydrogen, will fuse together and create a new one. In the case of hydrogen, two hydrogen atoms will fuse into a helium atom. However, in this case, the combined particle mass of the two hydrogens is higher than the mass of the helium particle created. Using the equation energy equals mass times speed of light squared, we can understand why energy is released. The lost mass is released in the form of energy. Since the speed of light is so large, the amount of energy released is large as well. However, in this case, without the radioactive waste, making fusion an ideal method of power generation. For fusion to occur, a large amount of energy is required to attract the two particles towards each other. This energy is usually in the form of heat, for example, in the sun. In this reaction as well, the energy released will grow exponentially. This happens because each reaction releases energy, so heat as well, that starts off other ones. What is nuclear radioactivity? Some particles can be radioactive. This means they will themselves fall apart into two smaller ones, releasing, depending on the type of radiation, alpha particles, beta particles, or gamma radiation. When alpha radiation occurs, an alpha particle is released, the helium nucleus. When beta radiation occurs, it emits an electron, and gamma decay happens only after another type of decay has occurred. In this case, the particle will want to turn from an excited state to a lower energy state by emitting a gamma ray. High energy radiation is dangerous because it can ionize particles in your body. This includes particles in your DNA which can be changed and cause mutations.
Thank you for watching and have a nice day.